Welcome to our channel. In the previous session we had discussed introduction to B plus trees. Now we will discuss an example of B plus tree insertion along with algorithm. Okay, insert these elements into a B plus tree of order 4. First, whenever giving an order, what are the conditions? First, to identify the maximum children and the maximum keys. Similarly, the minimum children and minimum keys. The maximum children, here m is equal to 4. Maximum children are m. Maximum keys are 3. m minus 1. Similarly, minimum children are CL of m by 2, that is 4 by 2 means 2. Minimum keys are m by 2 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1. These are the conditions. Okay, first insert 11. Step by step I am inserting. So insert 11. 11 is inserted. Next insert 14. 11 and 14. Next insert 12. 11, 12, 14. Okay, up to now no problem. Next insert 5. Insert 5. What is the position of the 5? We have to insert 5 at this position. 11, 12, 14. This is the position of 5. Okay, but by inserting 5, it violates the property. What is the property? The maximum number of keys or the maximum number of elements are only 3, but after inserting it violates the property. In B trees, what we are doing? Perform split operation and move the middle element to the root. We are always moving towards upward direction. Move the middle element to the root. In this case also we are moving the middle element to the root. We have two cases, either moving the 11 to the root or 12 to the root. This is called left biased, this is called right biased. So both are correct. If we are moving 11 to the root, remember throughout the program we are applying left biased. If we are moving 12 to the root, throughout the example perform right bias. That is, follow completely either left biased or right biased. Generally we are using right biased. In B plus trees generally we are following right biased. So I am moving 12 to the parent. So the first case occur. What is the first case? This is the data node. It has only one node and this is the leaf node. The data node split. The size of the data node is full. We have to perform split operation. Whenever the data node is split, the middle element, that is 12, is moved to the root. Remember, the left values are 5 and 11. We generally assume that the right value is 14. Okay, this is the B tree. Up to now this is the B tree. But whenever we are performing a split operation, 12 moves to the parent. Here this 12 is not the value. Because in B plus trees we already know that only the leaf node contains values. So make 12 here also. Here this 12 is the value. This 12 is an index. Based on the index, all the values greater than or equal to 12 are placed on the right hand side. Okay, in B plus trees, remember, whenever we have to perform a split operation on the data node, that split value is moved to the top. At the same time, that is present at the leaf level also. Next, insert 25. So 12, 5, 11. So 25 is 12, 14, 25. Next insert 19. Observe the case. 12, 5, 11, 12, 14, 19, 25. This is the position of 19. So in insertion we have only two cases. The first case is split of data node. The second one is split of index node. So we have only one level. I am perform split operation on the data node. So see this one. It violates the property. In the previous case, I am performing right biased. Remember, throughout the program, we are performing right biased. What we will do? Move this 19. Move 19 to the root. So, whenever we are moving 19 to the root, so the left side is no problem. 5 and 11. This 12, 14 becomes the left child. 12, 14 becomes the right child. What is the right child? This is present. 19 also present. Okay. Whenever we are performing split operation, the smallest element on this right sibling, that is the smallest element on the node, is moved to the root and acts as a index. And that element is again present in the value. Okay. 19 is completed. Next, insert 17. What is the position of 17? How do we insert? We always check 17. 17 is greater than 12. 17 is less than 12. So we are always moved to the middle node. So 12, 19. Remember, insertion is always performed at leaf level, either in B trees or B plus trees. Insertion is always performed at leaf level. 17, 19, 25. Okay, 17 is completed. Now insert 16. Now insert 16. 12, 19, left side 5, 11, middle one, 12, 14, 16, 17, right side 19, 25. Observe this one. After inserting 16, this is the node. Now what do you do? Perform split operation, move the 16 to the root, then 12, 16, 19, 12, 16, 19, 12 left child is 5, 11. This 12 and 14 becomes the left child for key 16, 12, 14, 16 and 17 are present, 16, 17, 19, 25. 19 and 25. Okay, this is completed. Now insert 8. Now insert 8. What is the position of 8? Simply this is the position of 8. So simply 12, 16, 19. Okay. These 12 and 14 are fixed. 16, 17, 19, 25. So I have two elements, 10. 10 also placed into the same node. So at the time I am inserting 8 and 10. After inserting 8, the value node is 5, 8, 11. Okay. After inserting 5, 8, 10. Sorry, 5, 8, 11. Now I am inserting 10 also. So 5, 8, 10, 11. This is the node. I am inserting both 8 and 10. I am inserting both 8 and 10. Now check. Perform split operation. By performing split operation, what happens? This 10 is moved to the root. This 10 is moved to the parent. Suppose in this also we have 10. So if you are performing this one, internally what happens? 10, 12, 16, 19. For 10, the left side is 5, 8. The right side is 10, 11. Similarly for 12, 4, 16, 19. So everything is present. Suppose by placing this one, it also violates the property. At every stage, it contains the maximum of 3 elements, but it contains 4 elements. What to do? Again perform split operation. 16 is moved to the root. Remember, very important point is, here I am performing index split. if we are performing split operation on the data node, we make a copy. We make a copy of the value both in the index node and the data node. Perform split operation on the data node, we make a copy of that node both in the data node and index node. Suppose if you perform a split operation on the index node, no need to make a copy, of that node. Okay, so I am finally performing split operation. 16 is moved to the root. Obviously 10 and 12, okay, 10 and 12 is the left child, and only one value is 19 is the right child. So for 10 and 12, 5 and 8, observe step by step. For 10 and 12, left child is 5, 8, and 10 and 11 is the middle one. 10 and 11. For 12, the child is 12, 14. So for 19, so 16 moved to the top. For 19, the left child is 16, 17, and the right child is 19, 25. Okay, this is the final B plus tree of order 4. So observe, we insert procedure. The procedure is very simple. If the space is available in a node, simply insert the node. We have only 3 steps. The first step is insert the node, insert the value into the leaf node. If no problem, simply insert. After insertion, if it violates the property, that is the node size is full, perform split operation. In entire B plus tree, we have 2 types of splits. One is a data node split, another one is index node split. If it is a data node split, simply perform split operation and make a copy of that node in the parent and at the same level the data node. Why we are making a copy? This acts as in index, that is whether move to left side or right side. Okay, suppose if you are performing split operation on an index node, that is split operation other than leaf level. We do not make any copy. Simple terms except leaf node, remaining entire level is similar to B trees. The leaf node split operation only changes, and the entire, that is from root node to last level except leaf level, the entire operation is similar to B trees. This is B plus tree insertion of order 5. Next we will discuss deletion operation of B plus trees. Thank you.